Cryptocurrency volatility is back in full swing, and whether you can deal with the ups and the downs, this is a good thing. The more volatile an asset is, the more traders are going to be attracted to it. So the fact that Bitcoin is testing 64,000, dropping back down to 62,000. The fact that Shiba Inu coin is testing 1,500 points per coin and dropping back down to 1,400 points per coin. This is going to catch the eyes of a lot of traders, and it's going to entice them to come back in to buy. And then, of course, as they do buy, we break through those levels of resistance, we set up new levels of support, and this is how you get on the path to 3,000 point per coin Shiba Inu. Now, we're going to be talking about that in this video because, of course, that's exactly what this article talks about. And we're going to be talking about Memebet token as well. If you guys haven't seen it, you absolutely need to check this one out. This one continues to increase in price. They've done over $250,000 in their pre-sale so far. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got Memebet on the screen. Now, we're going to be talking a little bit more about these guys in a second here, but if at any time during the video you find yourself interested in buying, make sure you use that link down in the description or the pinned comment. It is super simple to go in there, decide what you want to buy after connecting your wallet, but we're going to talk more about them in a second. But first, Shiba Inu coin. Now, we get a TradingView analyst confirming Shiba Inu coin's path to the long-lost 3,000 point per coin level. Now, 3,000 points per coin is extremely significant on Shiba Inu coin, guys. 3,000 points per coin is right below that 3,500 point per coin level, which, of course, if confirmed broken, leads back to the all-time high. Now, I don't necessarily think we confirmed or had confirmation of that breakout back in March. When Shiba Inu coin was ripping higher back in March, of course it touched 4,500 points per coin, but immediately came back down below the 3,500 point per coin level. It was just a wick to the upside. And that wick did not confirm the breakout, and therefore we did not test the new all-time high, or at least test the old all-time high. If we get back to these levels, the conversation is going to be extremely bullish. So let's take a look at this path that these guys are laying out. It says a recent analysis on TradingView argues that Shiba Inu coin could soon advance to the long-lost 3,000 point per coin level. Over the past few months, Shiba Inu coin has struggled to maintain a consistently positive trend. Its price actions have been characterized by sideways movements with dipping prices. However, last week, Shiba Inu coin engineered an unexpected comeback, breaking out from the 1,300 point per coin level and reaching that 1,500 region. Meanwhile, the bull run soon lost momentum, with Shiba Inu coin dipping back down to 1,400 points per coin. And that's okay. Guys, we have to test these levels of resistance. We have to go up and test the resistance, get rejected, test it, get rejected, finally build up enough steam to break through, and then those levels that were once resistance, they're viewed as cheap. Then 1,500 points per coin is going to become the new buy level. 1,500 points per coin is going to become the new support. No longer resistance. That's how this technical analysis works. So it says, meanwhile, the bull run soon lost momentum with SHIB dipping back down to 1,400 points per coin. It's currently trading around 1,460, growing by 2% in the last 24 hours. Now, technical indicators confirming Shiba Inu coin's road to 3,000 points. First, the analysis noted that Shiba Inu's enduring fall from over 67% from its March yearly high has formed a falling wedge pattern. We've talked a lot about this. If that wedge pattern gets broken to the upside, of course, bullish momentum could return. Secondly, it noted that Shiba Inu coin's recent comeback rally led it to break above its overhead trend line after forming a double bottom reversal pattern. Also, on the one-day chart, Shiba Inu coin has registered 4 consecutive bullish candles, highlighting renewed buying interest. Now, during this time, SHIB has seen over 10% price gains. Furthermore, the report noted that the Relative Strength Index, or RSI for SHIB, has turned bullish and is nearing overbought territory. This indicates strong buying pressure, adding further momentum to the ongoing rally. And of course, you can see the breakdown on the chart there for all of that. But it says the past the Shiba Inu coins rally to 3,000 points per coin. According to the analysis, Shiba Inu coin is currently testing critical resistance at the 50-day exponential moving average. If the coin manages to break above this level, it could continue its upward trajectory. The next target would be the 200 period exponential moving average, which is at 1683. Overcoming these resistance levels would strengthen the case for a sustained bullish move. Absolutely. And guys, my horizontal levels of resistance are around that 2,000 point per coin mark. Of course, we had some resistance between 25 and 28. But man, oh man, if we can get back, if this guy's analysis is right, and we get back to that 3,000 point per coin level and begin to test 3,500 points per coin, the bull market is here. And if that happens, guys, tiny little tokens like Memebet token are going to explode as well. Now, it's nice to see 5, 10x gains in Shiba Inu coin, but of course it has such a large market cap already that it might be a little bit more difficult for those to sustain those gains as the market becomes more and more saturated, right? Think about Bitcoin, for example. You're not going to see Bitcoin hitting 1,000x gains or 100x gains. I mean, some people are calling for 100x gains in Bitcoin, right? But of course, I think it's Michael Saylor and some of those guys. They're projecting 50 years out. Okay, and that is a possibility 50 years out. Dude, we could all be on horseback 50 years from now. We could all be living on Mars 50 years from now. I have no idea what 50 years on this earth is going to bring. So the price predictions can become crazier the further out in time that you go. But Memebet is one of the best ways that you guys can accumulate meme coins essentially free during this accumulation period that we're in. How? You can play with your meme coins. Guys, these guys they're developing essentially a casino type platform on Telegram where you can go in and play all types of games wagering your meme coins. Now it says they're going to have thousands of crypto native games, and on top of that, they've got their own global sports book with EPL, NBA, and other major sports. This is a no KYC Telegram gaming platform, in case you guys are interested, wanting to know whether it's KYC or not. Legitimate, they are sponsoring the Argentina football team or soccer team, depending on where you live. And they've got a very simple 5-stage roadmap that you guys need to make sure that you understand if you are interested in buying in and watching these guys grow. I believe they've got over 13,000 followers out on their X account. They're continuing to grow there. I believe they got almost 7,000 followers on their Telegram account. And the contract address for Memebet is already available. Look, these tiny little tokens are unpredictable, right? We don't know if they're going to surge upon release, if they're going to be stagnant upon release, and so on. But I will say this. Take yourself back to 2021. Go scroll through coinmarketcap.com, click on any random little token that you would like, and see what happened during the bull market. Everything exploded. And these tiny little tokens that have the $5-10 million market caps, they're the ones that are going to be able to see 10, 20, 50x gains as everybody is buying everything. That's why I get excited about these little tokens. Yes, Shiba Inu coin has amazing potential, but as the market becomes more saturated for it, it's going to be able to see less explosion. Something small, like Memebet, could absolutely explode higher. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.